Walk Welcome to the workshop. My apologies for rushing you in like that. See, that's how the first order just recently arrived into town. We can never be too careful who we let into our workshop, into our home. But now that you're here and you're safe, go ahead and take a look around. I know there's not much to see. Probably some dust, some candles, maybe junk to you, but to us, all of this means everything. I'm getting ahead of myself. Introductions. We have Olivia. We have Hunter. My name is Eddie. Together, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Know that we've been around for many years, hidden in plain sight, traveling and scouring the galaxy. Through abandoned outposts, like the Great Temple in Yavin 4, labyrinth forests of Kashyyyk, and even forgotten temples, both Jedi and Sith. We scavenge for these seemingly worthless relics and artifacts, and we bring them back here to the workshop for you. See, we believe that if we can preserve our past, we can ensure a brighter future for future generations to come. Because as you've seen outside, the future is bleak. But not to worry, because in dark times, a hero is born and rises to the occasion. Heroes like the legendary Luke Skywalker. You heard of him? Yes. Okay, just making sure. We'll catch you up. But now we have a new Jedi who goes by the name of Rey. She's ignited the spark of hope and it's spreading across the galaxy. And like Luke and Rey answering a call, so have you. You've answered the call to build something extraordinary and unique. You're here to build this. A lightsaber. A lightsaber is both elegant and enigmatic. And it's been wielded by the greatest of heroes and the darkest of foes. To build a lightsaber is a lost and ancient art form, used more in a civilized age. It's a direct reflection of its builder, connecting the builder to the Force, allowing the Force to flow through. Today, you will all feel that connection, believe me. But in order to have that connection, you need one important thing. Something small, yet vital. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. It channels and focuses and magnifies the Force, so much so that the color of one's crystal will depict the color of one's blade. There may be many Kyber crystals out there in the galaxy. We've gathered 4 for you to choose from today. As you can see, it was no easy task. But that's a story to tell another time. For now, let's begin with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker have all held the green crystal. Violet, rare and beautiful. It was once held by Master Mace Windu. Finally, red. Some call it the Crystal of Power. Wielded by the likes of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now today, it's held by Kylo Ren. Those are the stories of the past. You are our future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, or the crystal may choose you. So right now, Hunter and Olivia are going to come around and present to you your options. Look deep within your heart. Whichever color reflects your heart is the heart of your lightsaber. Take it, it's yours. And once you have taken your Kyber crystal, you may then place it on that green dish that lies before you.
Do you see your crystal?
Is your crystal? You have it?
Yes. And place it right there. But now to harness the crystal, you need a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of a lightsaber. It's the center of control. Where's your pin? Right now, my fellow gatherers and I are presenting you the components you previously selected earlier. I know there's a lot to look at in these trays. Pin. No, your pin. I need your pin. Even intimidating to see all these pieces in front of you and not know what they are. Worry not, because we will go over them together as one. So let's explore. To your far left, you have your chassis, which houses your Kyber crystals in the center. Columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3, your emitters. Column 4, your end caps. Column 5, your 2 sets of activation plates. I'm going to instruct you step by step on how to build your hilt to begin your journey. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to ask. With that being said, let's build. We're going to start off with the chassis and your Kyber crystal. You're going to place your Kyber crystal in the center open chamber. You'll have to wedge it between the two plates inside that open chamber. If you haven't noticed already, one side of those plates has a loaded spring. You can use your kyber crystal to push up against it and slide the crystal into place. This is where the young ones will need assistance by their spectators. Once your kyber crystal is locked into place, it should glow. You should hear it sink for a moment. But that initial glow must take place. If the kyber crystal does not glow, please let us know. I'm looking around and I see a lot of glowing crystals. So let's move forward to let's go to column 5. In column 5, you have 2 sets of activation plates. You're going to choose one match set from column 5. So choose your favorite set. Inside the set of plates, you'll notice they have a color indicator. It's either a blue rectangle or a red square on the corner of the plate. You're going to match them to the side of your chassis where your kyber crystal now lays. Make sure that that blue rectangle goes right on top of the blue rectangle on your chassis and the red square on top of the red square. They snap together into place, covering and protecting your kyber crystal as well as acting as your activation switch, which you will check by pushing up on it. You should hear a misfire. So to check your switch, push up to hear that misfire. If you do not hear a misfire, please let us know. Once again, blue rectangle on top of blue rectangle, red square on top of red square. Squeeze them together, push up on your switch to check your switch. So activate, push up, deactivate, pull down. Let's move forward to columns 1 and 2. Columns 1 and 2, you have 4 grips to choose from. You will choose any 2 out of the 4 in columns 1 and 2 of your tray. Choose any 2 out of the 4. There is a rule with grips though. You must make sure that the larger, thicker rim always goes in first towards the center of your chassis. You will then apply pressure and twist to the right to screw your grips onto your activation plates. Once again, choose any 2 grips you want. Larger rim, larger, thicker band goes in first of the grip towards the center of your chassis. Apply pressure while you twist to the right to screw your grips onto your activation plates. Make sure they are secure. 1 grip for the top, 1 grip for the bottom. Your other right. Alright, lay down. Another grip for the top. Any grip out of the 3, the remaining 3. The larger rim, larger, thicker band goes in first. Apply pressure while you twist. Let's move forward and go to column 3. In column 3, you have 2 emitters. You'll choose one of the 2. That goes at the top of your chassis, the open end of your chassis, the hollow end.
Which one?
That is the top of your chassis. That emitter goes right on top. It should go on very easily. Just secure that emitter. After that, you'll turn your hilt upside down. That's your power cells you see there. Go to column 4, choose an end cap, and let gravity guide you on the threading. When you're done building your hilt and you're ready for inspection, place your hilt on the hilt holder in front of you. It'll indicate to us to come by and double check your work. Thank you. Alright, let's take a look.
We'll figure that out.
Okay, activate, deactivate. Are you satisfied with your build? Hold on, over. And now comes the most important part in this process, stabilization. We need you all to take a giant step back from your workstations, please. Make room for my fellow gatherers. See, we are not force sensitive, which is why we have this technology in order to expedite the process when building a lightsaber. To make sure that emitter matrix is not inverted, otherwise it could cause some complications. We don't want any mishaps. I'd stay back if I were you, because I don't see anyone with goggles. Did we give you the goggles?
Oh, we lost those.
On the last mission?
No, in the workshop.
You lost them in the workshop.
Yeah, you don't notice them. They're still in here. You can see them
That
all.
doesn't add up, Hunter.
Oh,
That sounds like a
Sorry.
workshop.
No.
Yeah, disintegrated.
That's okay.
Great.
Are we ready? Stabilize. Stand clear. While your crystals are stabilizing, it's important that you... Wait, what's going on? Hunter, what did you do? Did you do anything? Let me reset your chamber.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined to the art, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Truly the force must be strong in here. He's right, builders. It's time. Time to forge the bond between builder and saber. So in a moment, I'll have you take a step forward. You will place your hand on your hilt, and we will activate together as one. This journey has led you to this moment. So builders, take that step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. Focus. Activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you, and like them, you too can change the galaxy. But remember, it only takes a spark. Raise them high and raise them proud. Well done. Please lower and deactivate your sabers. The bond is truly forged. Thank you, Master Yoda. May the force be with you. Thank you, builders, for seeking us out. Know that your lightsabers are as unique and extraordinary as every one of you. However, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you a saber sheath as you depart. Sadly, our time here has come to an end. Your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to go out there, make your mark on that galaxy. Who knows? Perhaps maybe one day we, the gatherers, will be here at Savi's workshop telling your stories. As we say here at the Outpost, safe travels and till the spire.